This is another sign of the times, an analysis, and a commentary. Alien planet count tops 700. Pace of discovery will keep accelerating as scientists hone planet hunting techniques. Less than 20 years after discovering the first world beyond our solar system, astronomers have bagged alien planet number 700. As of November 18th, the tally stands at 702 exoplanets, according to the Extrasolar Planets Encyclopedia, a database compiled by astrobiologist Jean Schneider. Schneider's list is one of two main alien world trackers out there. The other is called Planet Quest New Worlds Atlas, run by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Planet Quest's current count stands at 687. The difference between the two databases highlights the uncertainties involved in exoplanet detection and confirmation. But regardless, both tallies have been growing quickly lately, and both will add hundreds or perhaps thousands of new alien planets in the near future. Hunting down alien planets. Astronomers first discovered an alien world in 1992 when researchers detected two planets orbiting a rotating neutron star, or pulsar, approximately 1,000 light-years from Earth. Confirmation of a planet circling a normal main sequence star other than our Sun did not come until 1995. But the finds have been piling up recently. The count topped 500 in November 2010, and it passed 600 just 2 months ago when scientists with the European Southern Observatory, ESO, announced 50 newfound planets, including one super-Earth that might be a good candidate for hosting life. And the pace of discovery is only going to keep accelerating as scientists continue to hone their planet hunting techniques and the data continues to pour in. The finds of one instrument in particular could more than double the number of known exoplanets. Since its launch in 2009, NASA's Kepler Space Telescope has identified 1,235 planet candidates. To date, just 25 of them have been confirmed, but Kepler scientists have estimated that around 80% will end up being the real deal. A diverse array of alien worlds. The numbers by themselves are exciting, but the search for alien planets isn't just about increasing the tally. Rather, it's a quest to better understand the nature and diversity of alien worlds in our galaxy and beyond, researchers say. And that diversity appears to be quite huge. Astronomers have found one planet as light and airy as styrofoam, for example, and another as dense as iron. They've discovered an alien world that orbits two suns, like Luke Skywalker's home planet in the Star Wars films. And perhaps most intriguingly, they've confirmed a number of planets that appear to orbit in their star's habitable zone, that just right range of distances where liquid water and maybe, perhaps, life as we know it could theoretically exist. There's zero indication that the surprises are petering out. Astronomer Greg Laughlin of the University of California, Santa Cruz, told Space.com recently. Just looking at all the new discoveries on the preprint server where many studies are posted before being published is close to a full-time job. In other words, they are finding more and more potential habitable worlds, perhaps someday in the future for humans to colonize. Yes, there is a future for humankind to go to other stars and colonize the cosmos. But first, humans or humanity must learn how to take care of our own planet Earth before we make that great big leap to other worlds. And that is a very important thing to have to learn. And this is a part of the why of the end times, transition days, which is a time of extraordinary changes, happenings, and events. Because it's about what kind of world are we leaving to the future generations, and that too should be a very important question to ask. Everything is connected, and everything is numbered. It's also called fate or destiny. Again, Genesis chapter 1, verse 14. And God said, Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven, to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs, and for seasons, and for days, and years. 15. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven, to give light upon the earth. And it was so. 16. And God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. 17. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven, to give light upon the earth. 18. And to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. 19. And the evening and the morning were the fourth day. 20. And God said, Let the waters bring forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged bird after his kind. And God saw that it was good. 22. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters and the seas, and let birds multiply in the earth. 23. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. 24. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping things, and beasts of the earth after his kind. And it was so. 25. And God made the beasts of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creeps upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. 26. And God said, Let us make humans in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth. 27. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. 28. And God blessed them. And God said unto them, Be fruitful, and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the air, and over every living thing that moves upon the earth. 29. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree, in the which is the fruit of a tree, yielding seed. To you it shall be for something to eat. 30. And to every beast of the earth, and to every bird of the air, and to every thing that creeps upon the earth, wherein there is life, I have given every green herb for something to eat. And it was so. 31. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the sixth day. It's time for all these prophecies to be fulfilled, and all these are more signs.